Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to find secret stars in Subway Surfers City. So guys, today I will be discussing you about the secret stars on Subway Surfers. So guys, each secret star increase the multiplier by 1 times and you can collect a maximum of 3, or in very rare occasion you can collect up to 4 stars per run. And currently guys, there are 24 secret stars that are available to collect, with each one being in a specific location. So guys, in order for you to find this location, you can look it up online on where they are located. And guys, pretty much the stars are hidden and they are high up into the levels and they are very hard to reach. And pretty much just simply go ahead and play the game and explore hidden paths. So often they are away from the main track, and often they are on rooftops or behind a cargo containers in the dock. Or you could use drones, most importantly, because reaching high altitudes you will need to use the feature of drones, and you could use air vents, jump pads, and bouncy trains to reach elevated areas. So pretty much just simply keep an eye on the road and make sure to reach elevated areas as much as you can. And pretty much, I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.